First, go to your profile. You can do this by clicking your profile picture icon and selecting View Profile. Once your full profile page loads, simply copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. That's your LinkedIn profile link. If you want to customize your URL, look to the top right corner of your profile page where you'll see an option to edit your public profile and URL. Here, you can make it shorter, simpler, and easier to remember. Perfect for adding to a resume or email signature. On the mobile app, open the LinkedIn app and tap your profile photo in the top left corner. Select View Profile. Next, tap the three dots located below your profile header. Choose Share Profile Via, then select Copy to grab your profile link or share it directly for one of your favorite apps. And that's it, whether you're using LinkedIn on your computer or your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.